So Nova just launched their brand new web app trading bot, and let me tell you that this thing is really good. Now I have made a full tutorial and overview of this entire platform, so you can go and check that out after this video if you want to. But today we're diving into their sniping feature and how to maximize this feature to make a lot of money from meme coins on Nova. Because this is what the web app looks like, and in the bottom left corner you do have their sniper. Now this is one feature that Axiom is missing in my opinion, a sniper that you can actually configure to your own liking. Now this Nova web app is still in the beta phase, meaning you do need an early access code to get access to this application. Currently with my link down below, I get 20 early access uses per day. So basically the 21st people to sign up with that link each day do get access to this platform. So if it does say that the link is invalid, it means that all those 20 uses have been used. But right here on the Cosmo page, you obviously have newly created tokens, about to graduate, and graduated tokens. And you do have this quick buy option. And with the supernova mode, which automatically optimizes your gas, bribes, slippage, and other settings, it makes the transaction super quick. So you can obviously quick buy or snipe tokens right here on the Cosmo page as well. For example, if I do want to buy this token, I just click buy, literally happens within 0.1 second, super quick. And then if I do want to sell it, literally just click sell, and it also happens super quickly. But I mainly want to show you what their actual sniping feature can do. So this is what it looks like. If you do want to configure your own sniper, just click on add task. They have snipe migration, basically tokens that are migrating over to raydium, etc. Or you can snipe brand new pairs or snipe Twitter tokens. So let's start with migration. Let's say there is a token you do think will do really well once it migrates, but you do want it to migrate first just to minimize risk, etc. For example, this token right here called Runner. If you do want to set up a snipe for this once it migrates, just copy contract address, head over to sniper, add task, snipe migration, then just enter the contract address. There you go, token name Runner. Then just put in the amount you want to snipe. In this case, let's put 0.5 Solana. You can obviously choose the wallet you want to snipe, as well as whichever slippage and bribe configuration you want to be using. Then you can also set slippage as well as sniper mode, either fast or secure. I'm going to put it on fast. In this case, I just want to get into the token as soon as possible. You then have priority fee. In this case, I would probably increase this a little bit. Once this is done, you just click on snipe, and you can see that the task has been created successfully. This is now running, just waiting for this token to migrate. Once that happens, it will buy 0.5 Solana worth of this token instantly, so quickly. So this is a really cool feature. I'm just going to leave this open for now, just in case it actually does migrate while recording this video, because that would be quite fun just to show you how it works. By the way, this is not a promotion. I don't know this token. It will most likely rug, but this is just to show you what the actual feature looks like. You can also snipe Twitter. So this is also a really cool feature. So you just put in whichever Twitter account you want to basically snipe. In the top left, let's say there is a specific celebrity that is rumored to be launching their own token. You can set up this Twitter sniper to basically snipe any token that he might tweet about. In this case, let's just do Elon Musk. Let's do 0.3 Solana. I want to snipe any token that the Elon Musk account actually tweets about, but I also want to snipe any token that he replies to. If he replies to a contract address or a ticker, I want to snipe that ticker. I also want to snipe any ticker he retweets or any ticker that he adds into his Twitter bio. You can then put minimum market cap, max market cap, but I'm just going to leave this open because if Elon Musk tweets or replies to any ticker, I just want to snipe it instantly, no matter what the token is. You can then choose if there is a specific DEX you want this token to be launched from, but I'm also just going to leave this open because I just want to snipe any token that he tweets about. Then you have these authority settings. I don't really care about these. I'm just going to leave those open as well in this specific case. You then have advanced settings with slippage. I'm going to put this to 25%. MUE protection of auto tip, I will put that on just to make sure we get in as early as possible. Bribery fee, I'm going to put as 0.01 and same with bribery amount. Once that is done, you also just click submit and it's that easy. And the last sniper they have is to snipe a brand new pair. In this case, you put in whichever contract address or whichever developer address that you want to snipe. Let's say there is a developer that has launched multiple successful tokens before and you want to snipe whichever token he launches next. Just copy paste the developer address in here, or if there is a specific ticker you are waiting for to launch and you want to snipe as soon as launches. Put the ticker in here and you are good to go. We did actually just snipe the runner token. Seems like it had just migrated and it did get sniped. So let's see what happens to that at the end of the video. But anyway, back to the new pair. It's similar to the migration. You obviously choose whichever amount you actually want to snipe. You can choose a minimum amount of tokens you want to snipe, then slippage, fast or secure mode, priority fee, tip amount, maximum tip amount, etc. Click snipe and you are good to go. So far, this snipe is actually looking really good. I'm just gonna sell this right now. And there you go. That was basically a very quick way to make $77 while recording this video, showcasing exactly how powerful this sniping tool can be if used correctly. Now, in this case, it was completely random, but we did end up making some good money. Got a nice screenshot for the Twitter as well, which is always lovely. Made 48% in literally a few minutes. Definitely can't complain about that. Seems like I did sell it a bit early, but it is what it is. As I said, I didn't know anything about this token. I just did it to show you how the sniping feature works. But honestly, I really like the sniping feature on Nova. I think it has a great UI UX, just makes it super easy to set up and super easy to use. And it's also super quick. And overall, I really love this Nova platform. So if you do want early access, you can use the link down below. If you have any questions regarding the Nova bot, make sure to ask me down below in the comment section or in my Telegram. You can join my Telegram down below as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I will also link the full Nova tutorial down below in the description if you want to have a look. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.